Hey guys, Pierce with RV Living here. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Camco sewage hose support. It's called the Sidewinder. So in the box you're going to get the Sidewinder. This is the 15-foot version. Now it comes with this storage carrying handle as well. So typically when you're at an RV park or a site, the use of this is so it stays in a downflow motion like this. But what a lot of people don't mention about this thing is that if you're at a site like this where your sewer hose comes down and then it's a little bit higher, you can actually throw it around backwards right about where you want it. We've been able to use this at pretty much every site we've been to. I don't think there's been a time where we haven't been able to take advantage of this. So as you can see, now it's going to flow down, but obviously if we put it the other way, it's going to be too low down here and then it's going to dip down like this. So you set it up the way you want it. I like to find some things around to lift up certain points, like this rock. I had another rock around here too. Something like that. I had one more. Here we go. Go. So there it is. Not only does it keep it flowing downward, it keeps it off the ground, and it also kind of keeps everything together all nice and tight. So this is the Camco Sidewinder. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, make a comment. We want to make more of these product review videos. Let us know down below what you'd like to see reviewed, and we'll definitely get it done. Trying to think of anything else. Nope, I think that's it. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.